why Kangen water is superior from other kind of waters? Choose him the Kachiba Madamos watching. This has like three main properties: antioxidation, alkaline, and microcrystalline. Any property sumdi Kangen chuna cha, so chuna lefa mini digi, Nangachigi chudi healthy water the zumel. So the first property the Gachina said how you should know what is oxidation, antioxidation, how oxidation is a rusting process. Even metal this rush juni, apple this to shower in the map bejuni, Kyo Pokushub shadow and up bejuni, much logi because of oxidation. Heavy to be made the Sutawachi Jobara logi this and Asai Kora Mamola because of too much oxidation intake when they Konda Jobara age out Judosum. And Kangen water is also known as like anti-aging water. Say you can't stop aging, but then you can definitely slow it down. So the ORP meter sela any meter na look. So chunal check betanila oxidation duga antioxidation duga. So that to hospital na vitamin C this is. So because vitamin C contains antioxidation, so so you all have like even green tea this health benefit is especially ladies. So because health benefit is why? Because it has antioxidation properties. So that one reading positive positive reading so because oxidation is going on, apple to be shawachima be jomona. So watching chuna level to the sprite not to reading is still positive. Kamchi that still amnawachilla. Japa circuit is still positive because there is oxidation going on. Juice this lepa. So chan is so more. They should be because oxidation is there. Even water is still oxidation positive. And positive minerals say negative nature Zulu Pemi, Mapimi nature double. So machine ki the Gachila Bion and need is separate baby Hampani even tap water taroda reading is still positive. So the Achikangan water in the Jovachinta minus sign the Toma. So negative antioxidation properties is similar. Negative 190, 200, which is 0 because Kangen water has antioxidation properties. So it will slow down your aging process. Rushing this to prevent so disharmony in the body and harmonize meaning. So if you go back to normal tap water, this will be a positive reading. So look at negative antioxidation properties. So this is the first property which Kangen water has and other water don't have. So anichi baby, I'm semi important. So choose Gemina Lafala, Arogi filter this and antioxidation properties. The next property that we'll be talking is like alkaline ansudi thobdomola. If you are drinking 1 glasses of Kangen water, it's like drinking 30 cups of green tea. 30 cup green tea thundalo antioxidation thopmidi. You will get it from 1 glasses of Kangen water. 5 kg broccoli me chilo zawa laha jamola. But the Kangen water glass it honda wachin amchi danda antioxidation. So aging process now slow down be onsilamidi. So Nakata be watching Hirolari Oshiro CEO of the company. So Nakata gidi the Lokshule business advisor be US na branch udalomela 2003 China. So 74 years ki Nisara low the same level 74. But then Tau the Apa the Bogi Capers with Tom Duma. See the 50s Tomaka, I time to top of the memo. So as a he has been drinking Kangen water since then. So Japanese Urembe then healthy lifestyle life expectancy not to be remembered because also Himalaya as technology and the chulation this to so health not to make concern need me. The second property the alkalinity cerebral. First the rusting process and prevent any antioxidation. Second the alkalinity. So when usually alu sukyo the agi phone and chew you what the mola fluid check. So any fluid check the watching alkaline is similar. And fluid the gashim the chu gashim the temch alkane with the mola. The baby agi to name. So I give home 7 layata baby alkaline be is similar. Alkaline. So alu make this to do to be also look and jeans because too much alkaline is also not good. Achiki body di the blood flow be watching so it requires 7.4 pH me wala and like achi life be go 7.4 pH and so the kidney lungs liver sige zoom me wala so achi om di cheshim dale chikai shego zauda everything da tono san tawa chin da chi lunch nalu now siga shi the breakfast nalu so much acidic food ra toza zong acid emana acid mono makuna acid so pizza burger juice chang everything that we consume acidic though few vegetable few fruits has alkaline fruits garana mindu fruit vegetable garana alkaline content mindula so ani beodalu achiki bomb joy rate acid accumulation thebe achiki 80% alkaline be kemi body di after like 40-30 years jodalu di it becomes 80% acidic so all diseases come from same root cause too much acid accumulation in your body so ka acid mandi ki kathe be log thinni da so ajum beodalu cancer, diabetes, arthritis, cholesterol, high blood pressure, gout, obesity, fatigue, premature aging, etc. Migraine, this because of much zuha acid accumulate journey. So how you are going to pull back like down pull much age capsule you know their body was neutral. Mata onera minno because acidic food dissonance is zandira minno wala vitamin organically. Nakesha with this tuza the vitamin. So water was fresh, air was fresh, neutral with the hollow the chu gitu chila. That is going to be everything we consume acidic. So something neutral is not working. Like clean jam ching bito then you need healthier water na wala. So tang achigi anna tanila pH test se the litmus paper zum chibel liquid form na mo potential hydrogen zum chibu gata je se na. So achigi sprite this dish mo la ani ang some acidic is color de rora. So acidic thende mo la. So tang achigi mineral water be wachin greenish some chibe neutral be dumola kelamchi neutral be mola so urine be shada which leach out chemical from this plastic bottle makes the water acidic se mola so dele kali gi choose chibe which halam chi alkaline some chibe dunla so lalugi de gachi on la which the tanking na chlorine dumo wala chlorine the bleaching this pipeline this me pathini denu tele chidi bacteria se ni dinu so ansum be the lalugi alkaline theme dubji zong gita which those are organic alkaline chemical this add ma be 8.5 this theme wala so anna dilla mishela so chlorinated ongala mishela dele the kangin water zum chi jo which na alkaline so you, in an alkaline body no disease can exist in wala so example the achiki body nalu the neshi thop di dumo la so something neutral is not going to work me wala logi pool be ni charo bem se wala but then if you are drinking kangen water la so ani gidi logdi alkaline zone ni charo bem wala body di so this like soda drinks are so much acidic like normal water the 32 cups of water se go se me wala but the kangen di alkaline content at high digi amchi mengo se me wala so soda drink bottle chi thuna wache na che 32 bottle chudi thum me su wala but the kangen 4-5 bottle di thun se wala so ane be lokpul be ni charo be se me wala body di lok dera alkaline khato be ni charo be se me to support my statement, Dr. Otto Heinrich Warburg said he is a Nobel Prize winner and he discovered real cause of cancer. So he says cancerous tissues are acidic and healthy tissues are alkaline. So ngachigi alkaline tissue maintain be gomnam so khachela. So even like Dr. Theodore Berardi says like all diseases come from same root cause too much acidity. The chilap zome 32 glass normal water to go below 1 glass soda neutralize feeling but kangen water amchi me go ni. That's why when you are going out mola you asumchi zarur lokchina he kangen water thuni lawachin you are balancing your body pH maintain with deni me wala kidney lungs liver this to extract baby acidic body nale 7.4 pH the answer is on failure se gachi jo me cha to me this is so much acidic body lungs liver this me is pressure handle bema so wala that's wachin alkaline daru leshim me acidic daru leshim me wala so alkaline daso wachin log gera pool baby kidney lungs liver this to manage be wala even ngachi body ge alkaline produce be ni but then ngachi is acid nam some mam zan dige something neutral is not working example na sir doma zan chunne this no so much acid but then sir ge alkaline in dige so neutralize balance so when you are drinking kangen water you don't have to compromise on your diet cell am wala so first na chronic ye wachin the diet be chudi to body balance na machine na So chiga jodara normal to zawa kazum chizaru kangin to dachi balance. So balance with deni charo pyong lani gidi. So third property gachi lawachin microcluster lamagula. So we all know that chigi normal shunalefa like molecule is mola. So normal water has 15 to 20 molecules mamala. 15 to 20 more. So any molecule is nana body na job absorption penetration nam some gym se bala. So if you are drinking normal ani literally thuna je poor blood rate some chimi mola. Power je chue kulu kulu ke chaw mola. Because hydration nana penetration powers. Actually cells na le hoka chunku chunku ye bala. Answer la gym se bala. But then kangen water ki molecular structure nam some 5 to 6 molecules chunku ye nding mola. So easy penetration la. Chachiku zukhali zobe labeni mela. So chugi ladi khakum sani jam chi member it has to run every organ inside your body member. So ani bendeki the pisaging gi choose emiti kangin gi chudila. So cells na hoka chungu chungu yedo zumbe. So normal chugi la mi base de men datsin sa an dera thundi la ani bedo mola. So migraine gachi betho ma chi dehydrated brain plus proper sleep mi mola darna means control churu churu. So anzum be odalo dehydrated brain gi dai migraine disu bani gi. So bones are using 22% that you chew use so analpha mahe. So for na de chuta thenjo khum in the wala dele organs na blood flow gi den 85% is chew go. So that chu di gazon chi absorb be ga rangi body ge so anti bag na tani la chi absorption penetration kam chi du gala. So you are drinking normal the version that to ani tagi mo mineral water to chila. You are drinking Kangen water. So different thomemula. Tibak nalu absorption. Kangen this hachiku zuga jochi lana zing semeval. So dead cells is a acid reflux dindo fat this burn benegi. So kara nana zibe. Lana jobe awashani lansugi because loose motion give everything has flush out. So once your body is clean mola clean theshim na lidi the neshi jump to the mithom me wala. So balance pH body na balance with you mola. So normal chugi la babio de memal after they absorb jonula. The doctor says 8 glasses of water a day mola. 8 glasses the kangin gituna normal tuna rani la kami. Nangaji was like bags is only with so you the so I mean so kangin the original UV protected plus and high grade and bottles is similar. So I'm saying same thing direct company gi rahina. So hema be achna lagi China le copied this le no wala the another issue khapto me so expensive the is like durability the relation with it even anzum nalo so BPA free plastics BPA free plastics so anzum nale basha chuba wachin the properties relation with you say so that's it and I jikra so me the so anzum what was the watching achi garina you tama chira jo be sa achi contact watching so ani ge achi 500 be tono so ani ge 1100 ani ge 1200 even the spray bottles is only but then answer that's expensive do la they were used with our category fresh up so that's something that I answer so on the acidic water bottle so answer go watch in actually best to get now I stop to bandi la alam chi sha to
so any Kangen water is any particularly kongi any container naga store bego
kachina beru tu but then anna bishawa cha se urine be demo seven properties retain be ni charo be se be kongi design be ni so plastic difference be quality difference so properties they should be at support be se be plastic